What's up, Megan? How are you?
Hey, Kahlil, it's so great to see you. I really wish we could be together in person.
I agree. I mean, it's only what, 2 more weeks though? We'll see each other soon enough.
For sure. I'm so excited for the hustle bustle to return to the campus and to start to see all the familiar faces again.
Yeah, but I mean, that's something I'm looking forward to. But like there's concerns because all these other schools, a lot of the students that came back couldn't follow the rules and they have to be sent back already within 2 weeks of getting back to campus.
Yeah, it's pretty scary, and I hope that doesn't happen here. I really believe that if we stick to the rules and try our best and do all the things that we know are right as Yaleys and as citizens of New Haven, I think we can make it work.
I agree. I agree. And I think the thing that we're gonna have to really make sure students realize is that the line between following the rules and not following them is pretty thin, because a small socially distant get together in a suite can turn into a party very quickly if you don't monitor how many people are coming in and what you guys are doing. So I think the more that students take everything seriously and don't try to bend the rules or break them, I think the better the chance that we'll actually get to continue the semester on campus and also return next semester as well.
I really hope so. I believe in us. I miss Griffin's karaoke as much as the next person, and I cannot wait to be back with all my friends and singing our songs. But, I think we can find other ways to support the community and be part of all the things going on in New Haven without, posing a risk to everyone on campus and all of our community members.
Exactly, because it's not just about us as Yale students. It's about the community. It's about New Haven. It's about the other Connecticut schools. It's about our country and honestly the world at this point. Just making sure that we're able to follow these rules. And if I had to say anything to students, it would just be that same message. It's not to take anything lightly because everything is dependent on the decisions that you make throughout this upcoming few weeks.
I believe in us. I think Yaleys, we can be creative about how we get together. We can find new ways to maintain and create new friendships. And if anything, this is the moment for God, for country, and for Yale. And this is our time to shine. We can make this work.
I agree. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. And it's going to take every one of us working together. But that's the Yale spirit.
Absolutely. We got this.